Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khulume with Pro. I hope you stay, I hope you fall in love, and most definitely subscribe. Hayi bahlala bathi leti buhlungu adipheli hayibo guys naleti mnanzi adipheli. Congratulations are in order to Asavela Mqithi guys. Le basimati kakhulu nganto enhle laphana kumzansi magic ku isibaya njengoba guys she is expecting guys. You all know ukuthi umogele got married guys. Sekuneminyakanyana nje ashadile umogele and she's happy shem. Siyambona ku Instagram if you're following her ukuthi uthanza impilo nje le semakhaya tinkukhu tinja imfuyo nani so abantu bamthanda kakhulu ngemoya wakhe aluphansi guys ku Asavela Mqithi. So usishaya ngebhomu guys besingakayilindile makaya ko poster guys ama pictures akhe la pregnant khona lapha ku Instagram and we were like what, we didn't expect this guys. Vele as expect kona ukuthi okay sitobona bana mithi but Asavela guys, I totally didn't even think about it. Uthi Simsgema, congratulations mami fezile makhanya uthi awusukani madoda usho ukuthi sengizobhoma lumo uthi Abdul Khoza siyanibongela mkhaya uthi Lisedi_white mama ka chicks. I'm super happy for you, congratulations mama guys, we didn't expect this. Asavela guys usishaye ngebhoom guys, like totally with myself I didn't expect such news and I'm very much happy and excited to the new mom guys. So toba nimntwana ke uqala and balabaningi guys bamjabulele ngendlela lesimanga and bayasho nokusho ukuthi congratulations are in order. Uthi nkulunkulu uqala nani nanze. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.